green sawn timber in North Wales. It's been cut, stacked, and it's airing. It's interesting that the ends have been painted as tradition to prevent or try and reduce the amount of splitting at the end of the grain. They've used water base. I would say a oil base is probably better. That's impervious to moisture, whereas emulsion isn't. I've used cross members at the top, and the whole stack has been weighted with concrete blocks. Smells delightful. This is all green timber, probably from a wood miser or some other mobile bandsaw that's been brought on site, and the timber has been translated into usable planking. To give you some idea of width, the wide planks look about 15 inches wide, the thinner planking about 12 inches. Then you have some 6x2s and looks like 5x2s. Very neat stack, beautiful. It's a amber coloured timber. It does smell good. Look what you can create with this.